Jody, were you talking? I think your mic is muted.
Sorry, my mom and my husband are right here, and so I'm like, they're asking questions, and I'm like responding to their questions.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure if you meant to be talking to us or what. Okay, is everyone here to question number 3?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go ahead and read it. In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about the standard deviation. What has changed? Isn't it that we're assuming it's unknown?
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah. That's what I think.
So that's one question I know.
Woo!
We'll see about the rest. Okay, question number 4.
I'll read it. For the next 2 questions, let the null and the alternative hypothesis be the null mean equals 8, and then the alternative is greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample of the size of 9 and computes the sample mean to be 11, and S, or the standard deviation of that sample, to be 6.
So question 4 is the standard deviation known, which would be no, right? Because it says it's not
That's what I was
known.
thinking. That's what I was thinking, but I wasn't sure if it was like a trick question.
Maybe I'm not as lost as I thought I was.
I mean, if they keep being like this, but
I know. I'm like, I can handle this.
Okay, so it's the answer is no then.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I
Okay,
thought, but then
so-
I was like, that seems too easy. Okay.
Okay, so what is the value of T?
Now we use that formula, right? The T equals the
Yeah.
X bar, that one, okay.
Yeah.
What is the formula? Like, I was totally lost this.
It's X bar minus, what is that sign?
Minus the mu?
Mu over the S, which is like the standard deviation of the, what
The
is it?
sample.
The sample.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Divided by the square root of n.
yeah.
So which one's the mu? The like U thing? Is that the mu or what's the mu?
Yeah, that's
The
the
mu,
thing.
yeah, the mu, and it'll be 8
Be
in this
8.
question.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go grab my calculator really fast. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I got 1.5.
looks like
1.5.
Yeah, did anybody else get that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. Okay, I'll read this one. I use the following values which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis. Oh, I always forget how to say this. Anyway, there it is. And okay, so anyways, we got to put this in.
Do we just copy and paste it from our test here?
Yeah, I think so. And does it go into that Excel?
Yeah.
Quantitative descriptive statistics.
it's
that
into
one?
the
Yeah.
inference procedures, right?
Yeah.
I'm not, are you guys able to copy and paste this?
Well, I think.
I'm not.
No. But it says,
Unless I'm
Oh.
using-
but I think you have to go back to the data file. This is body temp.
Oh, it's the body temp one? Oh,
Yeah.
crap.
I
Okay,
think-
that might
I
take
know.
me. Oh, I've got that.
It's gonna
Okay,
take me a
it's
minute.
the same numbers? Okay,
I think so.
now let's
It's gonna
hope.
take- It's gonna take me a minute to get there, so. I wish they would have the link in the quiz. That would have been helpful.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah, because in the body temps, there's like 149.
Yeah.
There's a lot more than on our test.
Okay.
Yeah, because it was pulled from the data. So maybe we'll just need to transfer it over.
Yeah.
Let's see what was in here.
Yeah,
Body count. Okay. Okay.
So are you copying and pasting into which?
I copied the body temperature into the quantum inference procedure on Excel. That's what I did. I don't know if that's what I was supposed to do, but that's what I did.
that's what I did too.
And that's what I did.
I just can't get it to copy and paste over.
We're just hand transferring them over.
Oh wait,
Oh,
how many
wait.
are there? I thought there was a ton of them.
There is. Are you guys just doing what's on the test?
That's
Yeah.
what I'm doing.
Oh, well, what
Oh.
numbers did you get with just on the test? Because I did all
I
of
did
them.
the whole thing.
I'm still typing mine in, so
Oh,
And
okay.
that's what I'm
Oh my
doing.
yeah.
gosh.
Tell me what your numbers are, and we'll compare them to the ones from all of them. Maybe they're the same. Because
Okay.
that takes a lot of time.
yeah.
I
I think
stopped.
there'd have to be an easier way.
Yeah. Unless you're just supposed to do the first. I guess you could copy and paste the first, like, however many we have on the test.
Bummer. Oh, okay. Let me see.
Okay, so I just
Okay.
got all mine in. And then what are we looking for?
Says to what is the sample means or the X bar? Which I don't even know.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back and I guess I'll put it in manually.
But what numbers did you guys get doing manually? Do you have a mean of 4.120?
Is that in the summary statistics? Or the standard error of the mean or the mean?
Oh, no, for the mean, I have 4.120, the standard deviation 0.738, and the standard error of the mean 0.061. Do you guys
Is that
have
in the
those?
variable one, the first set, or is that in the one sample t-test?
It's in the one sample t-test. Wait, what are you guys doing? Did I do that wrong?
Oh, wait. Okay. So for a mean, I got 98.22.
Okay.
That's what I got, yeah.
And standard
Okay.
deviation of 0.922. and standard error of the mean 0.206.
So when you guys look at the variables, how many do you have? Because I'm just going to copy and paste that number and see if that works.
I had 24.
Yeah, it's on the 24.
Okay.
It goes down to
Okay, so I'll do that. I'll just do the first 24. I'm hoping that's what it is.
Well, it
I'm gonna try
starts
that
at
too.
5 though.
Yeah, so it's technically the first 20 because
Yeah.
variable 1 starts on number like the 4th
Okay.
row
so
or whatever.
So copy and paste 20 of them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So what row does it stop on then?
24.
Okay. 98.2, is that the last one?
The
Yeah,
last one,
98.2, yeah.
Oh, what's the last one? 98.2?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Oh,
it's the
okay.
24th row that it stops on.
You were able to copy and paste it in?
No, we just had to
Yeah.
type it over individually.
Okay, that's what I
I
finally
I pasted it all in, I'm just like deleting rows, deleting some now and seeing if it'll still work.
So,
Okay.
Okay,
so the
so,
comp,
sorry.
Okay.
So what
n
numbers?
equals 20. Sorry, I keep talking.
No, go ahead, Dan.
So I have the mean is 98.22.
Yes.
That's what I got after deleting.
I don't have that. I don't know. I must have done it wrong.
Do you
Is
have
it
the
under-
last one as 98.2?
Yeah, and the first one is 98.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Are you
98.
looking at the variable 1 or the summary statistics? Because the statistics don't say anything, but the variable 1 should say the mean is 98.220. At least that's what it is on mine.
There are two different boxes. There's like, they both say variable 1 at first.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you're looking at the first one.
Yeah.
Okay. And it says n is 20.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
98.
And then it says my
Yeah.
mean is 4.120.
Hmm.
That's weird.
Yeah, that wouldn't really make
Weird.
sense because of our information here. It shouldn't be 4 point.
Okay,
120.
so maybe and it's the one sample t-test, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that's my problem. Like why my homework's been off too. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
Fine. Good to
Let me
figure
see
this
if I
out now.
let me see if I can download the test again. Maybe my Excel is wrong. I don't know.
Yeah, I was having issues with Excel for a bit.
You were? Okay. Shoot. How would
So
I
are your
find-
other ones off too? What did you get for your standard deviation?
Oh, let me go back. So I have n is 20, the mean is 4.120, standard deviation is 0.922, and standard error of the mean is 0.206.
Yeah, those are
And
right. I don't know why your mean is off
Your
then.
name's off.
Oh, well, should I just go in there and manually change the mean?
You know what? What does your type of test say?
It says one sample t-test for means.
But look, there's the second, different boxes. There's a summary statistics box, and there's another box underneath. It says confidence level, null hypothesis, and type of test. What does your type of test say? Does it say not equal to?
Oh,
Or is it something different?
I didn't put anything in there. Should I put not equal to maybe?
Mine says not
I didn't-
equal to, but I
Oh,
don't
mine
I
says
didn't
greater
put a
than.
type.
Mine says equal to.
So
Well-
I don't know.
I think we're supposed to put less than, right? Because that's our. I don't know. I didn't even do that step yet.
I didn't even look at that. So
I didn't either.
I sure thought it was changing
Wait,
anything.
So what's your confidence interval? Is it 3.764 and 4.476?
No.
Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna go in and manually change the mean and see if that changes my number. So what is your mean?
98.220.
98.220. Because I seem to have every other number right.
Okay, and then in type of test, just so we make sure we're all on the same thing, what should I put there? Should it be less than or equal to?
I think
Or not equal?
It should be probably less than.
I think it's
Less
less
than?
than, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, so are your confidence intervals now 97.864 and 98.576?
Mine's 0.95.
Oh my gosh, this is really frustrating.
I don't know what's going on here. Are
I'm
we
gonna
all
have-
I have a
less
really
than?
weird T-score,
Oh, what's your T-score?
like 427.
That's
See,
what I
That's
have.
mine is.
Mine's is 248.
476.
Be right. I thought it's supposed to be somewhat close to like a Z-score, but just a little.
Okay, I'm gonna like delete mine and get a new one because I think mine is messed up. I'm sorry,
We're
I'm
all
taking too
getting
much
different
time.
things, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not just me.
I don't think so.
Okay, so I changed my type of test to less than, and now my confidence interval, it says it's 97.788,
That's what mine
That's
says.
what I have.
98.652.
That's what mine says.
That's what I have.
Mine didn't change, so I don't know.
And the null hypothesis number, the 10 that we have it set at, why do we have it set at that?
I don't
Shouldn't
know.
it
I just
be-
never changed it.
Mine says 47.
Yeah,
don't know
and
why
I
mine
think it
says
should be 98.6, right?
Yeah, it should be what we're, yeah.
Oh,
So that's
So
gonna
should we just manually change that?
you can, yeah. 98.6.
Yeah, there we go. And now I got a regular T-score. Now I have a regular value. Okay, that fixed it.
So what's your
Okay, so-
T-score, Dan?
My T-score now is negative 1.843.
Okay, that's what I have.
Yeah.
And that,
That's what I have too.
but my confidence interval stayed at 97.788.
Mine too.
Mine did too.
And I'm actually looking at the right thing now, so that's what mine says too.
Okay.
Now, if you change it from less than or equal to, it does change the p-value. So we do want to know what we, but I don't think the problem's addressed that yet.
Mm-mm.
No.
Hold
The
on
next
one
question.
second. Sorry, I just need 1 second.
Okay.
Never mind. Okay, I'm back.
So the
Okay.
next question is, what is S?
Okay, what was number 6?
Oh, the mean is 98.220.
Oh, the mean. Okay. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
sorry. I got all. Okay.
So S is what is the standard deviation on the chart, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay, and then I'm just typing in my what's the last? Sorry, I'm redoing
okay.
mine. What's the last body temperature you guys entered? Is it 98.2?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so then for number 7, the standard deviation, it's 0.922.
Yeah.
mhm.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, hopefully now that we have this all figured out, everything else can go a
Okay.
little faster.
Okay, and I'm sorry, I'm behind because I just
You're okay.
did a new one. So what did you put your confidence level at? Was it at 90.90?
0.95 is the confidence level, but the null hypothesis is 98.6.
Okay, so 98.6 is the null,
Mm-hmm.
and we're doing less than. And I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What was the confidence level?
0.95.
0.95.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now my numbers are, do you have a mean of 98.220?
Yep.
Mhm.
Okay, standard deviation of 0.922,
Yes.
Yes.
and the error is 0.206.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, all right. I think it was my Excel was, I think a number was off or something.
Mhm.
Okay, sorry to hold you up.
No, you're fine.
Okay. So then the t-score, would that be the negative 1.843?
Yes, I would think so.
Okay, so I'm
We
sorry,
didn't
I'm
actually rate
behind.
that one.
What did you guys, what did you guys put for 6?
98.6.
I thought it was 98.220.
For the mean?
Yeah.
For the X bar?
Yeah, the X bar is 98.220
Oh,
because
okay.
the X bar is the sample mean.
Okay, my bad. Thank you.
And then did you do 7 yet?
Yeah, that's 0.922.
Okay.
It's the standard deviation.
Okay, so we're on 8. Sorry, I think I'm caught up now. Okay, so now it's the t-score. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I have negative 1.843.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, question number 9. What is the p-value? And that round to 3 decimal places, so it'd be 0.040.
Yep.
Okay.
Wow, the Excel spreadsheets make it really easy when they're working.
Yeah.
But then
Well,
if
I
you
think
get
I
one thing
figured-
wrong, everything's wrong. That's what scares me
Yeah.
about that.
Exactly. And there was something off, and maybe when I was playing with it, there was something off with mine.
Yeah, and you wouldn't have known that if we weren't all working together. So
Exactly.
Yeah,
another
that's
scary
crazy.
thing is
Yeah.
you wouldn't even know.
Yeah. But it does make sense now with all of my homework. I was really off. Okay.
Yeah, you know why. All right, question number 10. Who wants to read it?
I can. So what is the correct decision based on this evidence? And since the p-value is less than the 0.05 or significance level, we would reject the null hypothesis, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, are we ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
So I'll read the information. So use the following values which were pulled from the data file Baby Boom for the next 6 questions. These values are the wait time in minutes between births at a hospital. Copy and paste them into SPSS. So is that a different Excel sheet that we're copying and pasting them into?
No, I think it's because we don't use SPSS.
We don't
I think
use
it's just
that.
in Excel.
Okay.
Yeah. I think they used to use that in this class.
Okay.
Yeah.
The hospital claims that the average time between births is 40 minutes and plans its resource allocation based on this claim. You want to test their claim. You select the mean equals 40 or the mean is not equal to 40 with a level of significance equals 0.01.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we have to enter all those in again?
I'm just going to copy and paste from the file and then delete. I think I'm doing mine that way.
From where?
From the file, the Baby Boom, just go to that file, in the data files.
But
Yeah.
does it have more than?
It has a ton more. It was
But
So
you
how
could-
do you know which?
Well, I
You could
copied
probably
them
change
all.
the sample. So if you change the sample n to like 20 or whatever, I think it would take the first 20. I'm not positive about that,
Oh,
but
these
you can
are
try
the first
that.
20. We know that for
Yeah.
sure. Okay.
Yeah, I just counted them.
It's the first 20. Okay. And can somebody tell me what the data file's called? I forgot.
It's the baby boomer.
Baby boomer. Okay.
For some reason I can't find that.
Oh, and it's wait times, not weight. It's the wait times, not the weight of the.
Oh,
Yeah, I can't find that file.
It's baby boom, not baby boomer. So it's baby boom JSE. So if you just click on one of like the Excel that takes you to all of them, it's the like third one on the list.
There's got to be an easier way to do this.
yeah. Okay. Do we need to type in a confidence level? Or confidence, level? Did it say that?
Let's see. It didn't say.
Okay. So then mine's just set at 95.
That's what mine is
Hopefully
too.
that's okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's see.
Yeah, I'm still not finding this. Do you know where I can go to re-download that?
In the book, you go to the, if you go in the book and go to data.
Yeah. I think it's called data files.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
I have like too many things open up on my computer.
I do too. I'm getting lost.
Confused.
Yeah, I have so many tabs pulled up.
I do
My
too.
screen split. Okay, so I'm here, and then what do I take?
From the 59 to the 61 in the wait time or whatever.
Yeah.
$59 to 61.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then we put that into the one sample t-test.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and then what type of test?
Would it be not equal to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And the null is 40.
Yep.
Right.
Yes. Yeah, that's what I put.
And then we all have a confidence level of 0.95, although I don't think it matters.
I don't think,
for
yeah.
this.
Mm-mm.
Well, it's actually, because the level of significance was 0.01, so I think that is that where we make it 99% then, or?
Mm. I don't know.
Or
I don't know.
Like,
I
is that
think
0.99?
Are you talking about for the confidence?
Yeah, I don't think the significance or level of significance and the confidence level are
related.
Yeah, I'm not positive, but I don't think so.
No, I don't think they're the same thing either. And I think it'll always tell you which one to put in.
Yeah.
Do we use the level of significance for anything?
Yeah.
That's just what we compare the p-value to decide if we are going to reject the hypothesis or not.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you. All right. So then our p-value, that be the 0.995.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
0.905?
999.
0.995.
That's not what I got. Hold on.
And you changed the null hypothesis and the test or type of test?
To not equal to and 40.
And 40. And
Not equal to.
yeah, not equal to. I got a t-score of negative 0.121.
I have 0.006.
Yeah, I'm 0.06.
What?
I got 0.006.
Yeah.
What
me
numbers
too.
did you put in for the
What's the mean that you have?
40.048?
That's what I have.
Oh,
That's what I have.
Did you do the 59, the wait time on the baby boom or whatever? Because there were like 3 different columns of
I
numbers.
typed it in manually, so I must have
Hmm.
got one number.
Yeah, you probably got one. Do you have 20
you wanna-
samples?
It's actually 21.
Or
so-
21, sorry, 21. Do you have 21? Your N is 21?
No, my N is 20.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
happening.
the problem. You're missing one number.
Do you want to read off your numbers and we can help get you the number that you're missing?
Yeah.
All right, that's all. Oh, sure. Okay. 86, 14, 4, 40, 36, 47, 9.
Oh, the numbers are different.
Okay. Your numbers are all different. Yeah.
Is your what is that from?
Oh, I just didn't have
Did
the
you
last
cut-
number, 61.
Did you copy and paste them or did you just do it manually?
I manually did them right out of the. But now I'm getting what you guys have. 0.006 is the t-score.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just didn't do the very last number because when I was copying, the screen cut off that last number. So now I have
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I have all the same.
Okay.
So
So you got the-
0.995. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so we failed to reject, right?
That's what I was thinking. It's higher than the significance level.
Okay, so what problem are we on now?
13?
Did you say we fail?
Yeah, you failed to reject it.
Okay. Do you want me
Alright,
to
so-
read 13?
Sounds good.
Okay, you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use the H, or the alternative is mu is less than 40, and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? So
now we're just changing it to
less
Less
than.
than.
Yep.
and we
Oh
leave
yeah,
everything
the
else
p-value
same way.
does change.
Mm-hmm. So it decreases, right?
Yeah,
That it got 0.502.
yeah,
Mhm.
that's what I got.
Yeah. Okay, sounds good.
So with question 14, it says, what decision do you make? So we still fail to reject the null hypothesis because it's still greater than the 0.01, right?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think, I don't know, those always confuse me.
With the p-value, if it's greater than your significance of level, you reject, or you fail to reject the null hypothesis. But if it's
Mhm.
less than, then
That's
you
right.
reject.
That's right, it's that P is low. Oh, yeah, that's right, okay.
Yeah.
Yep, that makes sense.
Okay, can you say that again? Because I always get confused. I want to write this down.
So the p-value, if the, do you want to say what you think it is? And that
So-
way you can kind of.
Said the p-value, if it's higher than the level of significance,
Mm-hmm.
then you fail to reject.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if he said in the video, if the P is low, reject the low, or if the P is low, reject. I'm trying to find it. I wrote it down, but I can't find it in my notes. Yeah, if the P is low, reject the null.
Okay, that's a good way to remember it.
Yeah, put that big in your notes.
All right, so then for this one, we reject, or we fail to reject.
Yeah.
And the one before that was decrease, right?
Yes.
All right. For 15, I'll go ahead and read it. Now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between births. What is the lower limit of this confidence interval?
Which we already did that. We already have that in there.
It kicked me off. Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Well, you didn't miss much.
Yeah.
We're on 15 now.
Where?
15.
Wait, what
Did you,
was the lower limit?
Okay.
is that what's already in there? The 23.499?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I put.
Okay.
But we round it, so it's 23.5, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, good call.
Good reading. Good
I
catch.
must have missed
Well,
it when you guys were
I missed
talking
a
about
few
that.
by not doing that. Quite a few.
All right, so the
Okay.
last one, what is the upper limit of this confidence interval? Is it 56.6?
56.6? Yeah.
Yeah.
How do we do it?
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and submit.
Okay.
Okay.
We got 100%. Good job, guys.
Oh, good job.
Thank goodness. Yikes. Huh.
Now, can you guys do my homework with me?
Back together. And the quiz.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So, next week, I'm supposed to do the meetings, but I might be going into labor this weekend because I might get induced, and next week is just kind of crazy. Is it okay if someone else takes control of the meetings? Because I don't even know if I'll be able to join for next
Yeah, of course.
week. Sorry about that.
Who's the next along with me or who's the next captain?
Is it Kim? Is she?
I can't.
Are you the
I don't know.
next? Well, because I'm just thinking of the order. I think it was Jody, and then you, and then
Yeah,
Dan.
okay, that's fine.
Then
and then
Okay.
Missy, and then me.
Okay, I will do it.
Okay, and then I'll do it the week after that. Hopefully it'll calm down a little bit by then.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good
luck.
day.
Bye.
Okay, bye.